Good morning. Look what came to the door today. This had really good reviews. So, April 29th, 2020. Since my electric stove top oven took a crapper, I have not purchased a new one because I thought I didn't use it that much, which I really don't use it that much. I got a little 2-burner electric stove top thingy, the electric coils. I got a double one, and that's been working out really well. It's like, wow. Takes up a lot less space. 2 burners, that's plenty. But this little darling, I was like, oh, now I want to bake something. Just that random thing. You get that TV dinner and you're like, oh, it says it really would be better baked, like breaded fish. Just no, not in a microwave. And I can do a lot of stuff in the cast iron skillet. But this had really good reviews, inexpensive. Now I'll have to go look up how much it is. But what was this, like $35? Come on. For an oven, and the reviews were really good. And it's been around for some time. Now I did buy a Coleman little portable folding shovel, and that was a piece of crap. Don't buy those. That just bent right off. I think Coleman has been purchased by a China company. Or maybe it was somebody else, but still. That was crap. This had really good reviews over a long period of time, so it's not just a fashion statement. It's not a fad. Put this with your RV. So, anyway. It is. Actually, this little darling will probably fit in, it's small enough that it will fit in my little solar oven, my little sun orange aluminum foil oven, which, by the way, really doesn't work all that great. But that's another day. It's great for dehydrating herbs. Just don't plan on baking cookies in it anytime soon. Not unless you have full sun all the time. But this is not solar. This actually, if I could ever get it out of the box, it's not light. It is not light. This is folding. So it folds up. I mean, yay if you're camping. When you want to stick this even in car camping, that's my fave. 30 miles to the gallon. Thank you, Toyota. So this would fit in there, and then you can put it right on top of the little 2-burner. You can put it on the electric stove. You can put it, I've got the butane camp stove. You can put it on top of those. You can put it on top of a campfire if you have something to stack it on, which I guess, even a campfire, you could make something. You could stack wood up, or if you're at a campground or a campsite that has a grill on there. So it works on wood or charcoal or electric, butane, whatever. But anyway, this is what I got. And it's too heavy to open. Plus I have the box. Anyway, this is it. I'm going to test it out, maybe. Coleman camp stove. I'm excited. Walmart. No affiliate. But, yeah, Walmart over Amazon these days? Absolutely. Absolutely. I look it up on Amazon, check pricing, check the availability. You'll get it in June these days with Amazon. And then I go over to Walmart and buy it. Less expensive. And they ship it. This was here in 2 days. Two. This many days. And that's typical of my Walmart orders. I'm getting food from there. My store discontinued one of my favorite cereals. Thanks so much. But hey, Walmart had it, and sometimes their delivery is available and sometimes it's not. So I don't care. You know, I just wait, and then I buy 3 or 4 boxes at a time, and it's here within 2 days. And it doesn't have to be, but almost everything I've ordered from them, even from, now I'm very familiar because I sell online too. So I know that it's not Walmart selling everything, that there are third-party sellers, which is fine. You know, as long as I get the stuff. And even the third-party sellers on Walmart are delivering. So, yes. 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 2 days. Yes. Coleman camp stove. Wish I could lift it up with one hand. Well, I can, but I have to get it out of the box. The box will go on the floor. The box is on the floor. See, I wasn't going to do this. But I'm probably not going to do this, not with one hand. There's a little hook I have to do. Yeah. Ow. Ow, finger. So, anyway, it's secure. It's not going to flop around then when you put it in your RV or your car. I don't know what this latchy does. That's for the door. Open. Oh, oh. Hello, what's in there? Look, it's got a face to it. Weird. Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you. See you later. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah. Check out the YouTube videos on the reviews, which I might do one later. If I figure out what I want to cook. Bake. But it's here, Walmart, 2 days. This is what it looks like. Boop, boo. Unfolded. Muffins, yeah. And it fits on your camp stoves. Butane, propane, wood fires, electric stove tops. And it has good reviews. See you later.